Supreme Court has slammed the traffic police on stoppage of traffic for VIP movement. The Supreme Court has said if people, including judges, were security threats, why were we allowed to stay in Lutyens, Delhi? Now that is the latest observation coming in from the Supreme Court. Let me go across to my colleague Kunal Shankar, who joins us on the phone line. Kunal, the Supreme Court making this observation just days after Harish Salve, a senior Supreme Court lawyer, takes up this issue, writes to the Delhi Police Commissioner. Tell us what exactly has the Apex Court said?
Well, the Apex Court has questioned as to why there is this sort of rampant use of, red lights, that is the VIP sort of movement that takes place in Delhi, and the sort of traffic restrictions that takes place in the national capital. A bench of Justices G.S. Singhvi and Gyansudha Mishra, which has been hearing this PIL. In fact, Harish Salve, as you were mentioning there, the senior advocate and former Solicitor General, is also expected to file a similar petition here, only on the sort of security situation in Delhi. The bench is concerned that this sort of security movement restricts, a common man on issues like healthcare, medical facilities, and so on and so forth, which are in fact life-saving. That is why Justice Gyansudha Mishra, one of the few female judges of the Supreme Court there, actually questioning when the sort of restrictions that have been even applied on judges actually seem unnecessarily excessive. That's what she was also trying to say, that even she cannot move. Her movements are very restricted, even though she lives in Lutyens, Delhi. And sort of questions just the motives behind the government's, the sort of security, and if anything can be done so that it doesn't inconvenience the public.
Right. Kunal, we were just talking about the fact that Harish Salve has threatened legal action in this matter of the Delhi Police Commissioner, or the Delhi Police does not act on it. So far, there has been absolute silence on that front. Is the Supreme Court likely to take suo motu action on this case?
That's unlikely, because a similar petition already is pending here. There is some sort of overlap on what Salve is demanding and what the PIL is already here in the Supreme Court, and notices have been issued. So suo motu action may not be something that may happen, because the court has already seized on the matter and there are petitioners here. But the court has directed that by the third week of January they will look into this issue of providing VIP security, just in what manner the Delhi government, or indeed the central government, goes about doing that. So that will indeed be some significant development here in the court in January.
All right, Kunal, we'll leave it there for now. Thank you for joining us with that update.